What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to wear those Rust Chinos. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Patrick Coogan, salute. Now fellas, you know one of the things that the ladies do way better than us when it comes to style? That's not being afraid to mix in color. You know how we do, myself included. We stick with the gray, the navies, the blacks, the whites. That's our comfort zone. But every once in a while, when you're trying to be that stylish guy, you gotta throw a little color in. But what's an easy way to do it? Add color that's not too out there. And one of my favorite colors to add is rust. It's not red, it's not orange, it's a more muted color, but it still stands out. What I'm gonna do in today's video, show you how I step a little bit outside of the gray and blue comfort zone by adding rust in a pair of pants that are comfortable to me, Chinos. So by matching a color I might not normally wear with a clothes item that I do wear, it's not so uncomfortable to try. I got 3 looks in today's lookbook to show you how to incorporate a little bit of color with those Rust Chinos. Now, one of the main things I like to do when I'm adding a little bit of color, keep the rest of the outfit simple. And you'll see that throughout the lookbook, especially as we start with this first look that I'm rocking right now. We've got my Rust Chinos with a simple gray crew neck sweater. Like I said, when you're wearing a color that's gonna stand out, which is rust, you don't wanna draw the eye too many places. It's confusing for the person who's looking at you. Keep it simple, as we did here with the gray crew neck and a simple pair of all white sneakers. You're letting the Rust Chinos do the talking with the combination of a simple classic crew neck sweater and your all white Stan Smiths. Now for our second look, I wanted to show you once again, if you wear items and colors that you usually wear, the out of the norm color won't make you feel quite that uncomfortable. As you can see here, I have a denim shirt on with a pair of desert boots. Now by combining the shirt that I'm very comfortable in, this nice slim fit denim shirt, and my Standby Clark original desert boots, I'm super comfortable and I don't feel like I'm gonna draw too much attention even though I have an out-of-the-box color on like the Rust Chinos. And when you're wearing colors you might not usually wear colors you are used to. We all can wear a nice blue denim shirt. And a lot of times for us fellas, we feel like we're doing too much when we have color, but when you have masculine clothes on that make you feel very classic, like a chucker boot and a denim shirt, it's much easier for you to pull off and feel comfortable doing so. And last but certainly not least, for our third look in the lookbook today, I wanted to show you even a standout color with rust doesn't stop you from having a polished look. As you can see here, we paired the same rust colored chinos, but this time with some tailoring as I have my navy blue jacket from my navy suit. But being as though chinos are still a relaxed look, instead of your standard dress shirt, I've got that classic white Oxford cotton button down. And to tie the look all together, we got a pair of nice brown double monk strap shoes. Combining colors and pieces that you're used to, like this navy suit jacket with the Rust Chinos, helps you step outside of that color comfort zone. Okay, so there you have it, my guide and lookbook on how you can add a little bit of color into your wardrobe with a pair of Rust Chinos. Let me know in the comment section which of the 3 looks was your favorite. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button, helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I'll check you out tomorrow.